My fellow suckers, this is the Minister of Propaganda speaking. I am here to inform you on our new threat, the Anti-Vacuum Cleaner Society. This terror organization does not seek freedom, nor does it seek equal rights. They are an isolated group of dangerous individuals where their leader, Jesper Lindgren, has spread lies and poisoned young men's minds, including Luke Carlson and Leon Larsson. This man of terror has to be stopped. And that is why the Vacuum Society have now initiated a military operation to search and destroy these doers of evil. They want a war, well now they got one. I'm André Lindgren, Minister of Propaganda. All hail the Vacuum Society.